Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how you can fix invalid gaming services for Forza Horizon 6. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what is just to do here is to completely close Xbox app. And then once your Xbox app is completely closed, then what you need to do here is to open up Windows PowerShell. Just write PowerShell, right click on it, make sure to open as admin, run as admin. And then you need to put few commands. All these two commands will be in the video description below, so you can easily copy and paste. So the first command will be this one here. Once you copy the command from video description below, then just hover your mouse here and then right click, then go to press on edit and then press paste. And then you just need to press enter and wait for a couple of seconds until you get this second C Windows System 32. Then what you need to do here, you need to put second command, a copy from my video description below, and then do the same, go on the blank space here, then you need to press on edit and then paste it. Press enter. Wait for a couple of seconds, then gaming services will, you will see gaming services, press install, press yes, wait for a couple of seconds until installation process is done. And after it's done, you should get this pop-up here. Then you just need to load up your Xbox app and the game will work for you. So yeah, that's basically it what I wanted to show you. And if I help you out, please press like and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.